So friends, since I'm using low-end PC, that's why my Blender is lagging, and sometimes it's not doesn't respond when I try to animate some or I try to do something high or FPS, something like something FPS related work on Blender. So it gets stuck and do not respond on time. So yeah, this is my T-shirt. I just saw this. So this is the whole process of sewing cloth on Blender, and you can do this, and you can also make pant for the character. So that's how you can make uh, T-shirt, and you can also change the color of it. Let me do that. Let me select the T-shirt first, and now let's go to the property, or we have to go to material. Just again go to this and just change it to this, and this is much better. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can do it, and I hope you like it. For more video like this, now you can see when I click on somewhere else, when I use the material thing, it will start not responding. So yeah, that is problem I am facing right now. So just help me out, guys, to get my new PC, because I'm really struggling with this my low end PC, and I bought this laptop around 10 years back, and it is now definitely outdated and not is able to do work of recent according to the latest and modern software. So yeah, just help me out to buy my new PC, and thanks for watching. I know you will support me in the next video. Till then, bye bye.